Here are 7 non-toxic swaps under $50 that will significantly reduce your toxic exposure in your daily routines. Finish the product and then make the swap. The first one is Perfume. Perfumes are often made with synthetic fragrances and phthalates that are endocrine disruptors, can irritate your skin, mess with your hormones. For the non-toxic perfume I use is Dime Beauty. There's a lot of other good brands. That's just the one that I used and stuck with and really like them. So it's very clean and won't mess with your hormones. Next one is your cleaning products. You can DIY them so easily. I DIY almost all my cleaning products, which is an amber glass spray bottle, which is probably the most expensive part. Then you reuse it a lot. I think I got mine for like $10. Vinegar, water, and lemon essential oil. Baking soda and Castile soap, great DIY cleaners that are also really affordable. I have a blog post where I list out everything that I'm talking about here, and then I added some DIY recipes for you too. The third one is candles, which is a huge contribution to indoor air pollution. Simple swap is just using beeswax candles that you can make yourself or get from your local small business or Etsy. Beeswax candles actually help purify the air instead of creating toxic air pollution. The fourth one is period care. You don't want any synthetic fragrances in tampons or pads. You also want to make sure the material is organic since it's being used in such a delicate part of your body. The next one is swapping your food containers from plastic to glass. I did these swaps slowly over time, and this is because you don't want to be microwaving your food in plastic. Microplastics can leach into your foods. Next is your air fresheners, similar to perfumes and also candles. Add a lot of indoor air pollution and can mess with your hormones. And it's really good. Very simple swap is using essential oil diffusers, or you can make your own air freshener with essential oils and witch hazel. I have that recipe in the blog for you too. Last but not least is personal care products such as deodorant. Again, it's a very slow transition, but one swap at a time. When you finish your old deodorant, swap to a non-toxic one. You might need to do an armpit detox, which is very common when you swap to a non-toxic deodorant to make that transition completely BO-free. I have the blog post linked for you, but let me know what you would add to this list or a non-toxic swap that you're looking for, because I think I can make like 17 more of these videos. Let's go play pickleball, and I'm going to take this watermelon with me for a little courtside snack. It's going to be so good. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.